Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video. The second question is, how is the price evaluated? The answer is, the price changes are primarily evaluated by various indicators, oscillators, or trading systems to give a trader an edge in trading. Quote number 52. Randy McKay said, "When I get hurt in the market, I get the hell out. It doesn't matter at all where the market is trading. I just get out because I believe that once you are hurt in the market, your decisions are gonna be far less objective than they are when you are doing well. If you stick around when the market is severely against you, sooner or later, they are going to carry you out." This means that trading on emotions is one of the riskiest things you can do. If you think you are acting on emotion rather than the state of the market, you need a break. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.